What's up guys, it's JB here. Today I have another Saber reveal. This is matte slates. I've shown this video off on a live stream, but this is the actual reveal video for it on YouTube. So here it is. I did the Metalworks. I had a friend help me with the Metalworks on the pommel. We had to trim down the leads. So this is what it looks like now. He wanted to do some extra work to it, so I'm going to go send it off to Rogue Sabers with Joshua Sisk to add a strip of black powder coat on the pommel. So obviously it's not going to affect, you know, the installation or whatever, because you can remove the pommel, obviously. So I added a font already to it. He told me he was looking for something with episode 2, the Attack of the Clones, Geonosis battle arena scene, since this is a clan saber pretty much, and this is a saber that Obi-Wan used also as well in the arena. So I went with Nova Star's episode 2. I forgot the exact name of it, but it's an episode 2 font, the only one that I could find that had to do with anything with the Geonosis battle scene with, you know, obviously a lightsaber font. So it's pretty funny actually. It has some bits of 3PO in there when he's, you know, firing the blaster rifle at another droid. Yeah, it has some other pretty unique sounds in there as well. So I'm going to show you guys the saber up close. It's a SaberForge Adament, and the pommel is custom made. So there's the hilt. It has Shameem's dual tack, not dual tack, but they're just low profile tack switches, meaning you can't see them over there, but they're very easy to press. You guys can get a close up of it there, focus. So yeah, Shameem, these switches are really nice. I definitely want to use them in some future builds. There's the rest of the pommel you can see there, and it has the brass KhangTek knob from Cousin Saber Shop. And I believe this blade plug is from Defcon Bird. I'm not too sure about that, so don't quote me on that. So let me show you the chassis. It's running a KhangTek chassis. And focus, please. There you go. So the chassis comes out easily, just like that. Has a Prizm 5.1 and 2-watt bass speaker, and comes it's not the custom saber drop, it's actually an ultra fire battery. It has a 3000 milliamp battery life, so has a larger capacity for battery life. I believe I fully charged it already, so you should be good for a while. And it has the twist kill key, as you can see right there. Good focus. There you go. It has a twist kill key, so when you want to turn it on, just twist it.
Episode 2, Age of Battle.
Age of Battle is what it's called, the font. And yeah, I painted the chassis gold, so it's a metallic gold, just, you know, so it can match the rest of the hilt. And yeah, so we'll go through this font. Sorry, I guess my camera doesn't want to autofocus unless it's off. There, I turn it on. I'll go through this font only. I won't go through the other fonts because they're just the default fonts. He really only told me that he wanted one other font, so it has 4 banks. You can, of course, you can add the other 2 banks. You can have all 6, so you can take full effect of that. It's running a deep red, royal blue, green LED, so it has the full spectrum with more rich colors. I didn't change any of the color settings. It's on the defaults, so again, if you want to change that up, you can. For now, I have it set on green for this one, because that's what it was in episode 2. So this is just the hum, the idle sound. very active, like if we're in the actual battle of Genosis. And I'm going to go through the swings now. I changed the sensitivity of the Prizm, so it's really sensitive. Not as sensitive as a neck board though. So it's not that bad. I just like to change it up to like 15. That's what usually me and Christian do. So there you go, it has some extra sound effects right there. I'm going to do some blasters.
Die, Jedi dogs!
Right there.
What did I say?
That's funny. Alright, so I'm going to go through the blade lock now. And the force effect.
This party's over.
So there's your when you turn off, it'll say that at the end. So it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna put a blade in so you guys can see. I'll go through all the colors, that way you guys can check it out. And here we go. So I'll be uploading about three videos back to back to back. They will probably upload within a day or two. So this will be the first one. So here's the green. Very, very bright. Change the color. Here's your lime. I'm gonna change the. I'm gonna turn the lights off actually so you guys can see the colors better. So here's lime again. You can see it a lot better now. Here's yellow, orange, and here's the deep red. Looks really, really nice. Here's like a magenta and more of a pinkish purple. Here's your violet and your royal blue. This is royal blue actually. Here's your standard blue and your cyan. It's a little bit harder to tell the colors on the camera, especially the blues. Here's your cyan right here. Here's your teal. And your green. And those are all the colors. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So you have about 14, 15 colors. It's 15. And then you can get white, of course, which is not shown. And all these colors are, you can edit them. So you're set, man. So this party is over. Matt Slate, there's your Saber, man. I don't know if you're going to be at TSL 3, but if you are, I'll see you there. And if anybody else that's in TSL, registered fighter, wants a Saber with me, you get a 10% off discount because I am a sponsor for TSL. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'll see you later. Peace.